Let's talk about interactions. When an MSP technician has a problem with a piece of software and they call the vendor and they have a bad customer support experience, they talk to AI first that doesn't really answer their question, then have to type in operator or person, or they try to get to somebody and then the person can solve their problem, or sometimes it doesn't, or a person's hard to reach. It can cause bad taste about that vendor or that product in the technician of the MSP's mind. This is a situation a lot of vendors are trying to address by adding AI in there, so that AI is that first level of support. They are doing this not to make the customer support experience better. They are doing it to cut costs and to alleviate and get fast response to support tickets and alleviate the number of people they have to have answering the phones and doing support. This is accomplishing the wrong goals, in my opinion. A vendor needs to have phenomenal customer support. When a technician from an MSP calls in, you have to have somebody answer the phone. That person has to know what they're talking about and has to know how to answer their problem, or quickly elevate it to somebody who does know how to answer the problem. You can use AI in all kinds of ways in that situation. The support technician can have AI into the documentation database to help look up answers, can have AI to help format sentences to be easier to read. Lots of things AI can do there, but AI, in my opinion, should not be what the MSP technician first talks to directly instead of a person, because it can lead to bad things happening. Because we've all had those interactions with AI where we type in something and we just get an answer that isn't even close to right, and the AI is wrong. Well, if you think about that same situation, but you roll it back to the end user when they have a problem with their computer and they call their MSP for support, is AI really what you want them to deal with there when they email a ticket? And do you want AI to read that and respond to them? I think that's a bad idea. I think AI can totally read that support ticket email and make recommendations to the MSP technician on how to respond, what to look at, help them be more efficient. But that interaction between person and technician and vendor support, I believe all that should be person to person. And we at TechIDManager, we believe that very strongly. If you call, you get a person on the phone.